Racing just started. Brave Lorky, break quickly at the start. Yellow Goose got Tiger and rushing up in the middle portion. Mr. Classmate, while Word of Heart is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Tiger Run by about 4 lengths. Yellow Goose is right behind in second. 4 lengths further back in third comes Brave Lorky. Mr. Classmate comes next. While Work of Heart is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Tiger Run by about 5 lengths. Yellow Goose now trying to get closer in second, and in third comes Brave Lorky, Mr. Classmate, and a long way back to Work of Heart, who's still racing in last. At the fourth turn, we have Tiger Run maintaining a 4 lengths lead, and in second is Yellow Goose. Down into this Brave Lorky, Mr. Classmate comes next, while Work of Heart is still racing in last. And as they swing for home, we have Tiger Run by about 6 lengths. Yellow Goose moving up, Mr. Classmate on the outside to take second. Last 100 meters, it's all Tiger Run, followed by Mr. Classmate, and finally Tiger Run. Mr. Classmate, Brave Lorky, Yellow Goose and Work of Heart.
Ano?
Commissioner Bobok, that's
Tulong ba ako?
comment.